Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, Wyandotte County, southeastern Hancock County, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:16 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arlington to 6 miles southeast of Alger, moving northeast at 75 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marion, Upper Sandusky, Forest, Arlington, Prospect, Sycamore, LaRue, Morrill, Van Loo, Waldo, Marcells, Cary, Nevada, Caledonia, New Bloomington, Mount Blanchard, Greencamp, Wharton, Harpster, and Kirby. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of LaRue to near Mechanicsburg to Cedarville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Bexley, London, Jefferson, Powell, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Sunbury, Plain City, and West Jefferson. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 62 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 75 and 138.